Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? On this Tuesday morning, it is the 5th day of December. Temperatures are in the upper 50s this morning, and this is the day we've been talking about for a long time. The day where the big changes are going to start happening, with a strong cold front sweeping across the state today. Showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front, and then the big plunge in temperatures behind the front that'll take us into winter for a few days around here. New wrinkles in the forecast. I've had to add small rain chances Wednesday through Friday as a series of little disturbances move through, especially through South Alabama. Latest on that, plus another reinforcing shot of cold air arrives on Saturday. Wait till you see the wind chill factors by Saturday night and the Sunday morning lows. All right, if you're ready, I'm glad you're here this morning. Let me walk you through the details. All right, there's the front at noon today, cutting across extreme northwest Alabama. Showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it, and the front barreling on to the southeast. By 6 p.m., just using temperatures, wow, is it easy to see where the front is, right around Lake Martin to around, let's say, Montgomery at 6 p.m. At midnight, you can just clearly see that the front has made it into the wiregrass, and the colder air is flowing in behind it. Now, here's future radar. At noon today, showers and thunderstorms. The main band would be right along the front itself, with a narrow line of heavier rain and maybe some thunderstorms. At 3:30, notice that there's a few showers even out ahead of the main band. You see that? Sprinkling south and central Alabama at that hour. At 5:30, it looks like the front is somewhere near, let's say, Rome, Georgia to Montgomery, down to Monroeville, and then moving on southeastward. So showers and thunderstorms today with a high temperature around 74. Tonight's low 44. And the best chance of showers will be later on in the afternoon and into the evening hours. And the rainfall potential, I think a lot of us could end up with maybe an inch of rain. It shows 0.8, 0.7, 0.5 in some places. But we'll average anywhere from, let's say, 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Wednesday, a secondary disturbance racing through the area means a small rain chance, especially in South Alabama. We're going to have to include a small rain chance in the Thursday forecast as well, as a series of these little short waves move through the area, Wednesday through Friday. Then here's Friday evening with that reinforcing shot of colder air called an Alberta Clipper just to north of Memphis at that hour. And then by Saturday morning, there it is with the colder air arriving in central Alabama, even some snow flurries up in north and northeast Alabama, and heavier snow in the mountains of Tennessee. Windy and colder back behind that. Saturday night wind chills. Look at that. I see some teens, like 18 at Troy, 14 at Auburn, 8 in northeast Alabama, so some cold wind chills. And then I think Sunday morning is actually the coldest morning as high pressure settles in and the Alberta Clipper is gone, and we fall back into the 20s, even into extreme South Alabama, and farther north of Alabama, you get into the teens. These are not wind chills. Those are actual temperatures on Sunday morning. So we've got a small chance of rain in the forecast Wednesday and Thursday. The high temperature barely up to 50 on Wednesday, upper 40s on Thursday. We're back down to around 31 Saturday morning, upper 40s on Saturday. Then it turns windy, colder, and will only be in the 20s on Sunday morning, and then start to recover a little bit by Sunday afternoon. Look at this on the graph. With the warm day today and the showers and thunderstorms, then the huge temperature plunge as winter arrives and stays with us for several days right on through the upcoming weekend, and it doesn't moderate much next week. The European showing the sharp temperature plunge. It has one of the coldest days as Friday. It has us only in the low 40s. I think that's a bit extreme. It has us in the upper 40s on Sunday as well. The GFS is the most extreme with the numbers, and probably too low. It's got even low 40s for a high for a few days there. And then it has the coldest mornings at Saturday and Sunday morning. I think Sunday morning, that's correct. It's got us at 26 on Sunday morning. Our weather app keeps you on top of these extreme weather changes over the next few days with hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, plus the current conditions will show you wind chill, which is going to be important as well, plus access to these videos. Go to the App Store. Get it on your phone today. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. So have you prepared for the change? I've got the firewood ready, and you probably have dragged out some heavy artillery out of the closets, and you're ready for the change as well, I'm sure. It would be a good weekend, I think, to be up there at Gatlinburg, right, with the snow falling and the Christmas decorations up. Hey, I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog, who's right there. She's waiting for her walk. She's laying down right now. Hope you have a great day today. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. I have a feeling probably will have a heavier jacket on, or who knows, maybe I'll be inside with a fire going and talking to you from there. I don't know. We'll see. Have a great day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas weather.